Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I've done videos on the transformation Docker or transform Docker, depending on what version you have. But I never really used it in a live case, and I was using it today. If I wanted to make copies of this, I would have to write down 1.209 into my nudge factor, and then I'd have to go Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And then when I wanted to go down, I would have to go 2.669. So you've got to use all those numbers if they're not correct numbers or if they're not even numbers. But if you were going to use the Windows Dockers and transform, yours might say transformation on the older version. And we're going to pick this one right here, which is the positioning. And I want 7 copies. And see, it's already got the measurement. I'm going to go across side 7 times. See, it's already got the measurement. I just made 7 copies. Now I can put it down here, and I've already made 64 copies that fast without having to think about, and they're dead on. I mean, they're perfectly matched. So think about, I mean, I use the transformation Docker, transform maker Docker a lot for rotating. I don't use it so much for the skew, size and skew, but I always use this. But really think about, and then what's kind of cool about this, you can go right here and make 7 more copies of what you select. And then you could go right here and 7 more copies, and look at all the time saving. Even if you use Control D, you'd still be doing it. So think about that next time you're making a lot of copies and you want them butted up to the next one. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.